I'm going to show you today how to do some text shortcuts to cut your time on social media. So as you can see, I'm in Facebook and I'm about to type a message. You need the settings button, that little cog. Then you scroll up a little bit and you can put text shortcuts. Now, if you can see the plus at the very top, for example, you could put a shortcut phrase, and I would suggest not using numbers or single letters like S or I, because otherwise you'll get this sentence every time and it'll drive you nuts. So for example, I'll put a plus sign. Then I'm going to put great. So if you see a good post on Facebook, for example, keep up the good work. Love your posts. You can make anything up that you like, but it's got to be quite general. And then you're going to add it. Okay, so that is the plus. I've actually got two more, which are GG, good morning, legends, and GR, great post. And I've got the plus one, so I've got three now. So for example, if I want to go to Facebook and then I want to mass comment, this is what you do. So this one's a good one. So you can put plus, space, go. So as you can see, or you can say good morning, people are drowning. So I could do the great post one, GR, great post, keep up the good work. So you can mix and match, or you can use the automatic ones. So basically, instead of spending hours typing, that's another one. I like that one. So I'll put GR, great post, keep up the good work. So as you can see, this is much quicker than good morning. So you can put GG for good morning. And you will never go into Facebook jail because it's not a shortcut inside Facebook or copy and paste. It's a shortcut on your phone. Have fun, guys. This works with Instagram as well and any other place where you can press the settings button. If you want the greatest tools on earth, click the link below and get Builderall today.